Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on the breakdown of the edit screen. To get to the edit screen, you're either going to start in your private collection image listing or your team image listing. From there, you're going to select the images that you want to edit. You can see the ones that I've selected have the blue check mark next to them. You're then going to click on the edit button, and it will open up to your edit screen. The edit screen is broken down into three main sections. The left section, which is like a table of contents. The center is your edit or action space. And then the right is information about the image and the polygons. The table of contents is listed like an outline. You'll have your image thumbnail, which with the image ID or the file name associated with it. Underneath that thumbnail will be all of the thumbnails associated with each polygon in the image. The object detection model will automatically place polygons on items that it associates as a fish. Of course, these are deletable. So the object recognition model for this first image detected 2 potential fish. Obviously, the first one is a hand, and we will delete that at a later point. The second image has 1 polygon associated with it, and you can see that polygon thumbnail below the image thumbnail. The third image, you can see here, also has 1 polygon thumbnail associated with it. In the center, you have your action space or your edit space. Here you can edit your polygon, delete your polygon, create new polygons, and you can tag fish species to the polygons. Over on the right-hand side, you have image information. So when you are on the image thumbnail itself, you'll be able to see all of the information associated with the image overall. So starting with image information, you'll be able to see the status of the image as a whole, the date the photo was taken, and the date the photo was added to the portal, and then the last time it was modified. GPS coordinates, if they are available. If the image was geotagged, they will be available. Water depth, the number of bounding boxes associated with this image, and the number of species tagged with this image. You also have the ability to completely delete this image from the portal. Species bounding boxes will appear here after you add bounding boxes or delete bounding boxes for the fish species. Image metadata is here, which pertains to the entire image itself. Copyright data, as well as other data associated with the image. Each polygon thumbnail also has information available to it. You can add a total length. So here we are. You can add a total length measurement line to the polygon of the fish if you wish. And then if you tag the fish species, you will then have the opportunity to view body trait polygon information and set data set for fish traits as well. There's also a helper image available down here if there is an image available for the fish species that you have tagged. Thank you for watching the tutorial on the breakdown of the edit screen. There will be more videos on detailed steps to edit polygons and edit the information associated with the images and the polygons themselves.